Day 1, Activity 3. Every day, you are actually going to have multiple activities, and the final activity before the closing is going to always look the same. It will have worksheets linked to the slide that you can use to practice. So it tells me to click the links below. When I click on the first link, it will take me to the worksheet that I need to use for practice. What's nice about the worksheets that you'll have each day is that they'll start off with an example that can be used to help you to solve the rest of the problems. So that way, even if you had trouble with the rest of the lesson or you had some questions, this worksheet might help you out. I'll go back to the slide and I see that there's another link. This link will take me to the answer key. It's up to you to not just look at the answers, but to actually do the worksheet first before you check your work. We included this answer key though, so that if you're having trouble or if you want to make sure you're doing it right, you have a place that you can look to check your answers. Lastly, on the slide, it will suggest problems for you to do. This is because we don't want you to just do every single problem and spend all day doing math, but we do want to make sure that you practice a range of problems. Some easy problems, some hard problems, some problems that don't have any words, and some problems that do. So we recommended what problems you should do. You can do more problems if you want, but it's a good idea to at least do the problems listed. So in this case, 2, 4, 6, 9, 13, and 14. If I go back to my worksheet, I see 2, 4, 6, 9, 13, 14, and those tell me what problems I should do. You're not going to be able to print out these worksheets unless you have a printer at home, but that's okay. You can just look at the problems on your screen and solve them on a separate sheet of paper. Make sure you number them so you know what problem you're doing, so that when you go to check your answer, you'll know what to compare. Those are the instructions for Activity 3, and as you work through the other days, you'll see that they look very similar, with links that take you to worksheets, to answer keys, and suggested problems for you to solve.